Number 1. 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $7,000. All original with 46,000 miles. Electrical system converted to 12 volts. The car has been stored for a long time, and its interior is impressive for its 70-year age. The radio turns on, but there is no sound from the speaker, although the clock still works. The heater system works, and the air ducts are intact, ensuring summer airflow through the vents. All the glass is in perfect condition without cracks, making it a rare find among 50s cars. Many new parts have been added. The 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission runs smoothly, and the car still has good original rubber around the door seals. The roof and sun visor are in perfect condition without tears or stains. The car is in excellent condition for all original parts, very reliable, and can be used as a daily summer driver, or trade for an automatic RV, travel trailer, or other items. Given its remarkable preservation and reliability, this Chevrolet Bel Air stands out as an outstanding example of mid-20th century automotive craftsmanship and can serve as both a collectible and a functional daily driver. Number 2. 1958 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $5,100. The original car with a factory 348 engine and manual transmission. I have the 348 engine from this car and also a 409 engine that I will include. The 3-speed transmission is missing. Original wheels and hubcaps with new radial tires. There is some rust in the trunk floor, likely due to the rubber mat retaining moisture. This car is a solid high desert car. The factory original interior is still intact. Despite some rust, it remains a good example of a well-preserved Chevrolet Impala and offers high restoration potential or as a valuable collectible for automotive enthusiasts. Number 3. This car is a 1959 Chrysler Windsor, priced at $9,500. This coupe-type car with a mileage of 99,000 kilometers. Equipped with a 383 RB engine and push-button automatic transmission, the car is in fairly good condition. The floor and body parts look very neat, with seats and door panels having undergone reupholstering. Overall, the car is still in usable condition and can run well. Number 4. 1957 Chevrolet 210 station wagon, priced at $8,400. With a 235 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed transmission, Posey, and electric wipers. This car is 100% complete, runs well, but there is rust on the floor and rocker panels and an oil leak. Mileage is unknown as the odometer has likely rolled over more than once. It can be restored or driven as is. The owner does not accept trades. Despite some issues, this car remains a choice for those wanting to be part of American automotive history with great restoration potential or for daily use. Number 5. 1958 Ford Edsel Ranger, priced at $4,400. A unique and rare project car, already running and driving well with BC registration. The carburetor has been updated, new electric fuel pump, new Holley air filter, several new brake lines, updated master cylinder, replaced brake and coolant fluids, and new spark plugs. The interior has been partially disassembled for restoration and needs reassembly and bodywork. All removed parts are available to complete this project. This car appeals to collectors looking for a restoration project with a lot of potential. Number 6. 1960 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $9,000. With a straight-six engine, the car remains in original condition except for the carpet, which has been replaced. Owned by the same owner since 1971. There is some rust, particularly on the lower body, trunk floor, and some interior parts. Nonetheless, the car still runs and drives well. The engine and other components appear well maintained despite signs of age and use. Number 7. 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $6,200, with 68,000 original miles on the 283 V8 engine, equipped with power steering and power brakes. The vehicle is in original condition, though unsure if the engine is still original. There are a few small dents, but no rust on the exterior or undercarriage. The car is solid but requires work on the drivetrain. Equipped with a 2-speed Hydroglide transmission and has been garage kept for over 30 years. Number 8. 1956 Monarch Lucerne Sedan, priced at $9,900. Powered by a 312Y block V8 engine, a 4-barrel carburetor, and an automatic transmission. It has factory dual exhaust with new mufflers and tailpipes. The original interior includes seats, with no visible rust, although it lacks power steering or brakes. Updates include a new master cylinder, wheel cylinders, and brake lines, as well as new wide white radial tires, new front shocks, a new battery, and new U-joints. Number 9. 1960 Cadillac Series 62, priced at $8,700. A 2-door coupe project car, appealing to restoration enthusiasts. The car has not been used for a long time and requires serious attention, although the engine still runs. It comes with a complete set of 1960 wheels, hubcaps, and fender skirts. There is some rust on the rocker panels, floor, and front fenders, but still manageable. Other additions include a spare fender and patch panels. There is an option to use a custom frame with a working drivetrain and RideTech Air Ride system for an additional cost, or a standard frame with a running drivetrain. You can also mount this body on a custom frame to create an attractive custom cruiser. Number 10. 1947 Lincoln Continental Convertible, priced at $10,000. A classic 2-door model in very solid condition, suitable for modification into a hot rod, rat rod, or restoration to your specifications. The car features power windows, a power convertible top, and a factory AM radio. Powered by a newly reconditioned 292 cubic inch side valve 12-cylinder engine, capable of producing 130 horsepower, running smoothly and sounding fantastic. The transmission uses a 3-speed manual gearbox paired with 4-wheel hydraulic drum brakes. The elegant body sits on a comfortable 125-inch wheelbase. The early Lincoln Continental is recognized as a work of art by the Museum of Modern Art and named one of the 10 best commercial products by Time magazine. This is a rare opportunity for an automobile renowned for its timeless design and advanced engineering. Number 11. 1959 Buick LeSabre, priced at $6,600. This includes a 2-door hardtop car with an additional front end and a 4-door car equipped with factory AC, as well as a large number of extra parts such as fenders, hoods, trunks, trims, grills, bumpers, and more, around 3 sets or more. Although there is no current registration, the registration process is guaranteed to be easy, offering a great opportunity to acquire a collection and abundant spare parts with excellent value. Number 12. 1936 DeSoto Airstream, priced at $4,700. This is a very solid sedan, can be started, run, and driven. The car features rear opening doors, suicide doors. There is no rust at all, and the roof is made of steel. All parts needed for reassembly, including all glass, are still available. This car was a luxury vehicle in its time with an Art Deco-style dashboard and gauges that are sure to attract friends. Number 13. 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Silverstreak, priced at $3,600. A 2-door model, ordered complete with accessory package, straight 8 engine and automatic transmission, making it GM's top luxury car in 1950. The car is structurally solid with little metal work needed except for front floor repairs and a small area around the headlights common to GM cars of that era. The engine is currently seized, requiring a thorough rebuild or replacement with a small block engine. The interior is complete but needs restoration. This Pontiac is a rare opportunity to own and restore a top-of-the-line mid-20th century classic car, ideal for enthusiasts looking to complete a satisfying restoration project. Number 14. 1954 Dodge Crusader, priced at $8,000. Known as the Coronet in the US, it has been perfectly restored and ready to drive. Purchased from someone who restored it to match their father's car. The car can be started, run, driven, with a quiet engine, and has the fastest window mechanism. The owner only uses it for shopping on sunny days. Named Flo, it needs a good new home. Number 15. 1954 Buick Riviera, priced at $5,500. Perfect for achieving the custom culture look. The car is powered by a 264 nailhead V8 engine with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor on a high-rise nailhead manifold. The car has been modified with nosed, decked, Frenched, and shaved techniques. The frame has been reinforced to accommodate the roof removal. The wiring has been converted to 12 volts, and the dual exhaust system enhances its performance and impressive sound. Includes a new fuel tank, new brake booster, and new windshield. Additionally, a custom air-lowered bagged system has been installed. This is a great opportunity for someone to take over and complete this unique project. If you are a new fan, watch other videos to find your classic car of choice.